Croeso I Alawfa Cymru lle dwi'n mynd I fod yn cyflwyno 20 alaw a ysgrifennwyd yn ystod yr 20 mlynedd diwethaf gan gerddorion Cymreig. Hello and welcome to Alawfa Cymru, where I'm going to be presenting 20 tunes that have been written in the past 20 years by musicians working in the Welsh folk scene. Mae'n yn brosiect gan Trac Cymru wedi gyrraedd gen fi, Jordan Price Williams. This is a Trac Cymru project that's been created by myself, Jordan Price Williams. And finally, as we come to the end of this series, I thought that maybe I would sneak one of my own tunes in as well, which is what I'm going to be playing for you today. It's a tune I wrote maybe 6 years ago when I first got my dog, Q, which means chick in Welsh. And when I first got him when he was a really small puppy, he used to tear around the house, and when we'd have rehearsals, he would jump around and then he would just be spark out in the middle of the rehearsal room. So I wrote this tune for him, and it's called Bach. And my trio recorded it on our first album, and it's proved to be fairly popular with some people, which is really lovely. And I've had some requests here and there to send out the dots, and so I thought maybe that it'd be nice to include it in this series. Felly na ni, Bach, gen I fi. So here we are for the last time. Bach, by me.